Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today we are going to check if we can play games by using this remote control. So when you are going to install game through the Play Store, you will get the notification that you have to connect the gamepad because you will be unable to play games. So let's check it out. When I'm going to the apps, I have one game that I download, it's Crossy Roads Chicken, and when you install that application, you will get the same notification that you have to get gamepad. But take a look, I can easily play without the gamepad by using arrows on the remote control. So as you can see, we don't have to get the gamepad, we don't have to connect it, we can simply play without it. So yeah, on the Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1 you are able to play all the games without the gamepad with your standard remote control. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.